Hello, welcome to Intersoft Solution tutorial video. This video will show you on how to use WebExpander for a first-timer. First, create a new website using Intersoft Empty Website Project template. After that, switch to Design View, and simply drag WebExpander to the web form. In this sample, we will need another ASPX file which contains a simple web grid, and on the server side, we will need to add a simple code to receive a query string to change WebGrid's view to the chart view. Next, back to default.aspx, and open the WebExpander's properties. Expand the container style, and set the height to 452 pixels, and set the width to 762 pixels. Change the mode to fixed. Expand the item settings, and set the content type to iframe, header content mode to inline, and indicator position to hidden. Also, set the expander's width to 800 pixels. After that, create a new item by clicking on the Add New Expander item. Set the header's name to WebGrid, and iframe as a container type. Next, click on Get URL, and choose customergrid.aspx. Then, create another item with WebGrid chart as a header's name, and iframe as a container type. Click on Get URL, and choose customergrid.aspx as the content. The last one is create a new inline expander item. Set the header into inline item, and set inline as a container type. With inline content type, we can simply click or drag any item to the content. After that, choose item in the WebExpander's properties, and set the first state item to expanded. Then, switch to Source View, and add the second content URL with a chart query string. Finally, we can save and run the project. In here, the first item will be expanded with a WebGrid inside the content. The second item will be on the chart view of WebGrid. The third item will be a simply inline content with the text on it. Next, back to Visual Studio, open the WebGrid's properties, and change the default style mode to silver. Go to the WebExpander properties, and change the default style mode to silver as well. In here, notice that the style will be changed into a silver style. With simple settings, you can now easily create a WebExpander. Thank you for watching Intersoft Solution tutorial video. For further information, you can visit our website at www.intersoftpt.com.